Hi, good morning. I am Mr. Hafiz from Masters Academy. Just want to share you regarding icet 2021. In this AP icet 2021, the lack of time, everybody is in trouble what to study and what not to study, and due to the exams postponements, and everybody is worried about it. So don't worry about it. So it's just a matter of 7 days. So make use of the best use of these 7 days. Within 7 days, how can you improve your skills and how can you enhance your skills and how can you get the least rank in AP icet 2021? This is what we are going to study. This is what we are going to discuss in this session. So watch the session till the last. Okay, first one. Basically, you should have a clear idea on the AP icet model. So in this, there are 3 sections. So section A, it's analytical ability. It's actually related to the reasoning part. And the second one is communication ability. Section B, it's related to the communication English as well as CT and BT, computer terminology as well as the business terminology. The third one, section C, is mathematical ability, right? And coming to the sections, marks. So what is the weightage? And we will go through in detail about it. The first one, the analytical ability, it consists 20 marks definitely for the data sufficiency. How the questions will look like and everything we will discuss, don't worry about it. 20 marks related to the data sufficiency and 55 marks related to the problem solving. These are related to the reasoning part. So blood relations and number series, letter series, coding, decoding, all these types of questions will come in this section. Coming to the next section. Before going to that, just focus on the first section, how you will get more marks. And before that, so what section and how many marks you will get. So generally, the section, each section, the first part A section consists 75 marks. And the next second section B consists the 70 marks. And the section C consists 55 marks. So coming to the sections. So reasoning part consists 75 marks and English part consists 70 marks and the last one, mathematical part consists, it's a 55 marks. Okay. Coming to the reasoning part, data sufficiency. So it will provide you 20 marks. So focus more on data sufficiency problems to get more marks. So nearly 15 questions can be answered very faster out of 20 questions. So you can get easily 15 marks there. But before that, don't try to solve the problem in data sufficiency. You should be able to understand whether you can solve or not by using the first statement or second statement. So please go through the previous videos and please go through the sections, everything in the description. The link will be provided in the description. You please go through that. And coming to the reasoning part. So in a core reasoning part, the blood relations, definitely 1 to 4 questions will come, and the number series, yeah, nearly 4 questions will come, and coding, decoding, 1 or 2, definitely it will come. So even in few cases it comes even nearly 4 questions, but don't neglect it. And coming to the other questions, so all these reasoning part, the analytical part, the logical parts will come here in 55 questions, the problem solving. So sitting arrangements and left, there is a straight sitting arrangement and ranking problems, everything will come. You please go through that. So to get more marks, you should have a command on broader, so on overall chapters, so as to get the least rank and more marks in AP icet 2021. So coming to the next section, section B consists of communication ability, where it divided into 4 parts. So the vocabulary, it's a 15 marks. Generally, if you have a broader knowledge and if you have broader experience in learning the skill, learning language, vocabulary plays a major role. And if you have practiced already, it's okay. If you are not at practice, 200 to 250 words will be available. Just go and read everything and learn everything. If you are unable to do that, you cannot get the 15 marks into your pocket. So in this 15 marks, so nearly 8 to 10 questions can be answered very easily. The other questions, it makes you little tougher if you have lack of practice. And coming to the business CT and BT, so whoever are from BCom and BCom, so all of them, business terminology is very easy for them. And coming to the science background, computers background, the computer terminology is very easy for them. So share your knowledge and please go through the PDFs and everything. I'll keep it in a description. So you please go through the description to learn what to learn and what not to learn. You can go through that. And in that, so it consists 15 marks, nearly 10 questions, 8 marks. So here 8 marks you can get, here 15 marks you can get, and here 30 you can get. So very easily you can get 30. So this is on an average score only, right? I am not considering above average guys, and even I am not considering average guys and overall. So 15 to 30 questions. So 45 out of 75 you can get it in section A, and section B consists 15 questions. Out of that, 8 marks you can get very easily, and out of 15 questions, 10 questions you can get very easily related to CT and BT. And coming to the functional grammar, so if you have experience, if you have spotting the errors, so part A, part B, part C, and if you have command over the grammar rules, so there are 100 golden rules. You please follow that and watch few videos so you can get your knowledge. But be careful, at present time is very less, so focus on what? Focus on the chapters or focus on overall pattern, not focus on one topic. If you focus on one topic, you will lose your time to you cannot invest your time in other topics. So please be careful. And the other is reading comprehension. Reading comprehension, to get a reading comprehension skills, you should have faced nearly 30 to 32 different types of passages. But here, lack of time, you please practice only the grant tests that which are available free in Mr. Hafeez e-learning app, which is there in a description. You can attempt it, right? Right. And coming to the mathematical ability, arithmetical. So coming to the arithmetic, it's a general mathematics. General mathematics consists the percentages, averages, ratios. So these are all the topics are there. So you please think broader, not very specific, right? Because the time is very less. Time is running out. And next, algebraic and geometrical ability. The students who are mathematical background, they feel very happy, but coming to here, only 10 questions are coming from geography, geometry, geometrical ability and algebraic. So here, now the non-maths students can be very happy because only 10 questions are coming from that, right? Another, statistical ability. It consists 10 marks. So coming to the 35, so 35 you can get easily 20, and coming to the 10 you can get easily 5, and coming to this 10 you can get easily 5, because mean, mode, median you can get it very easily. And coming to the reading comprehension, so this is there, direct questions will come. Out of 5 questions, 3 questions will be very easy and 2 questions will be little tougher, and you should able to identify which questions have to be left over, and 3 questions you can do it. So here you can get nearly 12 to 15 questions very easily. And functional grammar, again 15 marks you can get it. So overall, so 15 and 15, 30 and so nearly 45 questions, approx 45 you can get it from 25, and here again you can get nearly 30. So 30, 45, 45. So if you get on an average in these 7 days, you can work on it. So you can go through the grant tests which are available in Mr. Hafeez e-learning app for free. So you can, the description, the link is below in the description, right? So 45 plus 45, 90, 90 plus 30, it's 120, nearly 120 marks you can get very easily by practicing only the papers. And that too, we are providing the previous papers and model papers, everything. So 10 grantors are available. You please make use of it, and within 7 days you can get the best rank, best out of your caliber and your ability, right? So wish you all the best. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye bye.